Hello, good morning, and welcome to Trade Talks with Jitesh. So, as we know, that market is consolidating in and around the range, around all-time high, and as of now, market has taken resistance at this particular place of 18,630 levels, 650 levels. So, yes, today the market is down, and we had positions on the call writing. So this positions is going good, and as of now, I'm expecting market to come somewhere around 18,450 levels. So no put writing positions as of now. I'll be waiting for 18,450 levels for the put writing. Call writing positions are going good, almost by 1 hour plus. So overall setup is going good, and let's see. We need a spike for at least 8 to 10% spike in India VIX to confirm that this is the high made for the month of June contract. So if we get a spike above 13 odd levels and it stays intact at 13 odd levels, then we can safely say that, and we need a close below 18,415 to safely say that this is the high which has been made for this contract at least. International market yesterday was weak. Asian market is significantly down, and dollar index is up. So the international front there is momentum on the downside only. So I guess this momentum might pick up, and we might see 18,450 levels in today's time itself. And as of now, yes, one more new development is that crude is significantly down by almost by 4.6%. So that puts pressure on both the side. So on international front as well as Indian markets as well. So once market, if the market falls below 5,340 or 5,400 levels, we might see further capitulation move on the downside. So that kind of movement, if that happens, that might trigger major correction in Indian market. So I'm highly skeptical that market might stay at this particular place. There might be significant momentum on the downside, and once we get a confirmation, then we'll be doing aggressive shorting the market. Initially, let the market decide the direction. There might be certain time correction which might happen, broader range of 18,600 to 18,000 levels. So this might be time correction area, and then further after time correction, we might see a trending market as we have seen in the month of March. So March, the whole month was time correction. It was consolidating, and then the second run began. So this kind of thing can happen in on the upside as well. We might see a time correction at this particular place, a whipsaw on both the sides, and then the trend might continue on the downside because this trend has been consistent since almost 9 to 10 weeks. So this is something uh, which might end, uh, but I don't think so that it might end with a very uh, without a time correction. There might be time correction for the first half of this contract, and from the second half of the contract, from 15th or 18th of June, we might see a further significant rally on the downside. So as of now, the consolidation is happening. So I'll be doing my put writing at 18,450 levels. Call writing is already done at 18,070, 650 levels. So my call writing was done for 18,700 levels with a hedge of 18,800. And I'll be doing put writing for 18,450 with a hedge of 18,400. So I'm expecting market to be in a very tight range. Let's see. And for the Bank Nifty, market is consolidating on the all-time high levels. And once we get confirmation, then only we'll be entering any positions for the Bank Nifty. For long, I'll be waiting for 42,900 levels, and for short, I'll be not taking any aggressive bets till we get a closure below 42,800 levels. So if we get a stop loss triggered at 42,800, then I might consider taking short positions. But as of now, no short positions is triggered. So let's see how the market gives us the opportunity on the Bank Nifty. No traders in there in Bank Nifty because the already momentum is there. Exhausting the momentum is getting exhausted, and there is a significant play of divergence as well. So if this divergence comes into play and market might form bottom, then we might see further correction from here, and that would take us to all the way at 41,300 odd levels. So this might come into play only if we get a confirmation and if we get a close below 42,600, 700 levels. and market might be there in this particular place. Time correction might be there in this particular place of 44,500 to 43,500 levels. So there might, this time correction whipsaw signal is better to avoid trading in bank. And Nifty is good. Nifty is going good, and this was a very major supply zone. Let's see how the market comes and gives us the opportunity at 18,450 levels. And if the stop loss gets triggered at this particular place, I'll be closing my put positions, because if the capitulation move on the downside continues, then we might see further level at 18,100 levels as well. So major supply, major demand might be there at 18,300 level, but there is no demand zone as per the price action till 18,180 levels. So the distribution which started in this place of 18,500 to 18,000 levels, this distribution might come again into play, and again this whipsaw signal might be there, and again stop loss might get triggered below this particular place. So major stop loss correction might come after 18,450, and capitulation move can continue till 18,190, 200 levels as well. So this would be very interesting to look where the market might halt from here till here. So as of now, further addition of call writing I will not be doing till we get a confirmation and close below 18,413 levels. So as of now, this is the trade plan. Thank you for joining Trade Talks with Jitesh. Happy trading.